Today in our new section, Juggastoned Cooks, we're going to make bacon-wrapped meatloaf. So let's get started. Juggastone's Funhouse! Yeah! Let's go over our ingredients that we got here. So we've got a cup of milk. We got 6 pieces of bread. I use potato bread because I'm fancy. I'm like that. You take your cup of milk. I'm going to do this right away. Soak it all over your bread. Oh yeah. And we're going to let that sit for a little bit. After that's done soaking, we're going to mix in this 1/4 cup parsley leaves, this 1/4 teaspoon garlic salt, this teaspoon of salt, cup of Parmesan, 4 beaten eggs, 2 pounds of beef, a couple dashes of pepper. Don't have the pepper laid out because I just want some dashes. We'll mix, we'll make our form, we'll wrap it up, and then it'll cook. We'll cover the times in just a minute. The whole recipe is going to be down in the description below. Alright, let's start the next step. So our bread has soaked for a good bit of time. We'll go ahead and beat our 4 eggs real fast. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. Got our bread. Got our meat. The thing I love about Publix, where shopping is a pleasure. If you want exactly 2 pounds, they'll weigh you out exactly 2 pounds. You don't have to buy a 1.5 and a 1.3 and have too much and screw your whole recipe up. Publix has got your back. Alright, now we're going to add in the eggs. Now we're going to add the Parmesan. Oh yeah, all over. Got our salt. Garlic salt for a little bit of flavor. Parsley leaves. Can't forget a few dashes of black pepper. Look at it. Doesn't it look so good? Alright. Mix it up. Nice and dirty. Make sure your hands are clean. Mine are clean. The reason I love using Martin's potato bread instead of regular bread is I love the flavor it brings. The reason I use bread instead of bread crumbs, same reason. Bread crumbs have kind of a flat flavor. Potato bread is delicious. Get it good mixed. Squeeze it, squeeze it. That milk should have broke down that bread. Made it a lot easier. Broiler pan, wrapped in aluminum foil. And you're done. I'm kidding. Now it's time to make the loaf. Basically like making a giant hamburger patty. You want to make sure that there's no real strong cracks in it, otherwise it'll fall apart while it's baking. Oh yeah. Doesn't that look so good? Look at it. Supposed to use thin cut bacon, and you just kind of do one of these numbers. Criss, tuck, cross, tuck. I'm going to tuck the bacon underneath the loaf. Marvel at how delicious that looks. It's time that we make the glaze. So we got our 6 tablespoons of brown sugar. We got our, what is this, teaspoon of dried mustard. And we've got our 1/2 cup of ketchup. A little bit of Worcestershire. Look it up. That sauce mixed all together. look at that. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Ah, yeah. So good. Now we're going to take our glaze brush, about half of this, maybe a third. And we're just going to work it all over. Look at it. Oh yeah. Work it all in there. Oh, doesn't that look so good? Now we just pop it in the oven for 40 minutes. Got it in all of its meatloafy glory. Still got 20 minutes. Let's see what we're looking like. Let's see what we are looking like. Got our oven mitt. Nice and easy. Oh yeah. Ooh yeah. Gonna take another third. Basted it for a second time. Oh, it looks so good. We're gonna put it in for another 30 minutes. Make sure that beef is fully cooked. That looks so good. All right. Our oven timer has gone off. Let's go ahead and pull it out. I got an Eliza on my back. You say hi, Eliza?
Hi, Eliza.
That's right. That's my daughter. I don't recommend pulling things out of the oven with a child on your back, but we do what we do. Oh, yeah. Look at that. This is going to sit for 10 minutes. It's been another great episode of Juggastoned Cooks. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, leave a comment. What else do you want me to cook? I'll cook it. Hope you have a great day. You say bye, Eliza.
Bye.
That's right.